So, dear students, once again, welcome to my new channel. And today we'll discuss the new theorem. Stay tuned. The theorem is like this: if a line segment joining from the center of the circle to the chord bisects it, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Just reverse of that theorem that I had discussed in the last class. Suppose this is your chord. AB. AB is the chord. O is the center. AB is the chord and O is the center. Here I am joining a line segment from O to D. O to D from center to the chord. If OD bisects the chord AB into two equal parts, AD equals to BD, then automatically this angle will be 90 degree and this is perpendicular. OD will be perpendicular to AB. Now let us write given what is given in circle C1. O is the center. O is the center. And AB is the chord. AB is the chord. To prove, what do we prove here? We'll prove here OD is perpendicular to AB. OD is perpendicular to AB. Here also another thing is given, I have not written. AD equals to BD. It is given. AD equals to BD. It is given. That means OD bisects AB. Construction. Join OA and OB. Then prove. Same thing. We'll have to make two triangles congruent in Cbse. We'll show that what is perpendicular to AB. So come to this point. Now join OB, OA and OB. Like this. Now compare these two triangles. In triangle AOD and triangle BOD. AO equals to BO equal ready. AD equals to BD given. And OD is the common side. By side, these two triangles are congruent. Is not it? So let us write in triangle AOD and triangle BOD. What are the common parts and equal parts? AO equals to BO equal ready equal ready. Now AD equals to BD. AD equals to BD. What is the region? Given. This is given. And OD equals to OD. Common side. By these three comparisons, we can conclude these two triangles are congruent. Hence, or so, or thus, you can write triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOD by side. Here, this has not been completed. Another thing, the major thing, the perpendicular we will have to show. OD is perpendicular to AB. This is the major part I have to show. These two triangles are now congruent. So applying the Cbse rule, what will I will write? Let me erase. Okay. Now ADO angle equals to BDO angle by Cbse. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle are congruent. So this angle equals to this angle by Cbse you got. Let that angle be x. Let ADO angle equals to BDO angle equals to x. Now ADO plus BDO angle equals to how much? 180 degree. The reason is linear pair. Linear pair. The reason is linear pair. This angle plus this angle 180 degree. This is linear pair. That implies x plus x equals to 180 degree. 2x equals to 180 degree. That implies x will be 180 by 2. That is 90 degree. So here we got each angle measures 90 degree. Thus ADO angle equals to BDO angle equals to 90 degree. So finally you can write, hence OD is perpendicular to AB. Proved. Now this theorem has been proved. So from these two theorems, yesterday I have discussed and today these two theorems have been discussed. First one, if it is, let us consider from another figure. From these theorems, you should have to remember one thing. Here, I am constructing two circles. This one and this one. This is the chord AB. This is also chord AB. AB. And here AB. Let O be the center. O be the center. From these theorems, you should have to remember, because in deduction, in solving the problems related to circles, you should have to put or apply the basics of the theorem. This is the center. If you draw a perpendicular from the center to any chord, remember it will bisect it. If OD is perpendicular to FB, then you can get AD equals to BD. Got it? If suppose this is a line segment OD and given AD equals to BD. If AD equals to BD, then OD is perpendicular to AB. These are the two things. These are the two things you have to remember. If it is perpendicular, then it will bisect. If it bisects, then it will be perpendicular. So today here I conclude. I hope you will understand the basic things of these theorems. The next class, the new things I will discuss. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.